Ever wondered how some Facebook posts always seem to grab your attention right at the top of a profile or page? That's the magic of pinning, a simple trick that can totally transform how people interact with your content. Pinning a post on Facebook is honestly one of the easiest ways to boost your visibility. When you pin something, it stays right at the top, no matter how many new updates you share. This means every visitor, whether they're a friend, a customer, or a group member, sees what matters most first. It's perfect for announcements, promotions, or just highlighting your best work. Here's how you do it. On your profile, find the post you want to feature. Tap the three dots at the top right of the post, then select Pin to Profile. Instantly, it jumps to the top. If you change your mind, just hit those three dots again and choose Unpin from Profile. For Facebook pages or groups, it's just as easy. Look for the Pin to Top option in the Post menu. Now, the trick is knowing what to pin. Go for posts that really represent you, whether it's your latest offer, a glowing customer review, or an evergreen tip that always gets love. Rotating your pinned post regularly keeps things fresh, and don't forget, eye-catching visuals always stop the scroll. If you want your pinned content to attract even more genuine engagement, consider giving it an extra boost with Media Mister. They offer real safe Facebook likes and followers, no passwords, no stress, so your posts not only stay visible but truly stand out. Ready to make your Facebook profile pop? Try pinning your best post today, and if you need that little extra push, check out Media Mister for the boost your social presence deserves.